Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to access Gemini. To access Gemini on your smartphone, you can simply press and hold power button if the Gemini is assigned to it. It's by default assigned to it, but sometimes if you press and hold it, you will access power menu. Also, if you want to access Gemini, simply tap Ask Gemini button on the home screen. What's the weather like tomorrow? If you want to add widget of Gemini to your home screen, tap and hold on the home screen, widgets, select Gemini and drag it to the screen. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.